Hey Kiwi, I'm bored again.
Yeah, me too.
I have an idea. Soon Janai will be here to check on us. That is the perfect time. We will need a distraction.
No problem.
Hey guys! Hey, what's that noise?
Now is the time. Go.
Oh, hey, that's what that noise was. Hey, where'd they go?
Well, we did it.
Yeah, I told you.
New, let's play some games. Let's play football. Ooh. Let's do this.
Pick the Eagles.
No, pick the Falcons.
Woo!
Now I am going to play some Call of Duty. Yeah.
And now for some chirps.
I am never leaving my owner's room again.